Hey, thank you guys so much for joining me on my YouTube channel, So Siobhan Makeup. I am Dominique, aka Siobhan, and in this tutorial, I am showing you guys how to wear a deep dark lip because that is the color that's in the wintertime. Deep dark lips. Alright? It's all about keeping it simple. Just natural, beautiful, and simple. So y'all make sure you stay tuned, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at So Siobhan. And don't worry, I got you. We go from bare face here to this glamorous look. So I already have my foundation on. You can check my foundation routine out. Here on my eyes, I am using Laguna by NARS. And I'm just putting it on the apple of my eyelid, and then I'm going in with Ebony Bronze by CoverGirl to give my eye a little bit more depth. And then I'm just going to blend it out with a larger round brush, blending it out nicely so everything is smoothly blended together and there aren't any harsh lines. Then I'm going to go with my Smashbox lip liner in nude brown. Yes, I said lip liner, but I use it for my eyes. I just wanted to give myself a slight smoky effect just underneath my eye. So I'm using this to give me that effect. Here I'm going in with a smaller, rounder brush to kind of blend everything in, give me that slightly smoky effect. And then I'm taking a larger brush to kind of bring it in towards my crease to make sure everything is nice and blended. Here I'm taking my Ebony bronzer and I'm going in with my angle brush on my forehead, my cheekbones, and my jawline to give myself a slight contour. And then I'm going to go in with a round brush and kind of use that to contour my nose as well. Gives me and just, you know, beautiful brown skinned woman a beautiful contour. Here I'm taking my Ardell lashes, double wispies, larger than what I'm used to, and I am just going to make sure I put on my eyes. Easier, it's not easy at all actually, to put on lashes with tweezers. So if you have small tweezers, and usually some lashes come with them, depending on where you get them, it's easier to apply them with tweezers, but it's still a little challenging, even for a makeup artist. And I'm gonna make sure that I just squeeze it, make sure everything is lined in place. So I kind of want to start in the middle, then I work my way going out, and then working my way back in. And there you have it, batting my lashes. All right, now what I'm gonna do, I'm using my Studio Sculpt mascara to blend in my natural lash with the strip lash. It's very important. And then what I do is I take my fingers to kind of blend it all in so they kind of like serves as an adhesive to the strip lash, because you want to make sure that it all blends in nicely. I love to use this mascara on my bottom lashes. It's great for defining your lashes. It doesn't clump and it also lengthens. So I do recommend this for your bottom lash as well. And also adds to the smoky look effect. All right, time for lips. Here I'm lining my lip with Nebula NYX lip liner, making sure my lips are covered on the outside. This is going to help my lipstick to not bleed out, and also helps your lipstick to last longer when you put on lip liner. And also adds a really good just blend to it. And then I'm going in with my Ben Nye Twilight. Now this is a glossier type of lip, so it adds a hint of sexy to your look. All right, so you want to make sure you get good coverage with that. Right here, I'm going in, giving myself a nice highlight with this Becca Rose Gold. Absolutely love it. So I'm putting it on my cheekbones, my nose, under my brow, my chin, and my forehead. Wherever the light is going to hit me, that's where we want to put it. And then I'm going to go ahead and accent my contour with Sable by Lorac in the Pro Palette. And there you have it, my final look. Deep, dark, sexy lips. I hope you like it.